kids! How are you doing? Have you heard my I Wanna Have Fun song? Let's sing it together! I see a bright sun, the day's begun. I feel so good, I wanna have fun. I feel I've won, I'm second to none. I feel so good, I wanna have fun. When this song starts to go, I can move it on the floor. Now I'm getting in the groove, so let's sing it once more. I see a bright sun, the day's begun. I feel so good, I wanna have fun. I've hit a home run, I'm second to none. I feel so good, I wanna have fun. I love this song, it's got no right nor wrong. It makes me move and dance, so let's all sing along. I see a bright sun, the day's begun. I feel so good, I wanna have fun. I feel I've won, I'm second to none. I feel so good, I wanna have fun. Oh, that was fun! Let's have more fun soon with Bob the Train! Hi kids! Let's do rig-a-jig-jig! As I was walking down the street, a very good friend I chanced to meet. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Rig-a-jig-jig and away we go, away we go, away we go. Rig-a-jig-jig and away we go, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. We clapped our hands and stomped our feet, stomped our feet, stomped our feet. We clapped our hands and stomped our feet, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. We jumped up high and came back down, came back down, came back down. We jumped up high and came back down, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Rig-a-jig-jig and away we go, away we go, away we go. Rig-a-jig-jig and away we go, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. We climbed on a train and tooted the horn, tooted the horn, tooted the horn. We climbed on a train and tooted the horn, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Kissed my ma and hugged my pa, hugged my pa, hugged my pa. Kissed my ma and hugged my pa, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Rig-a-jig-jig and away we go, away we go, away we go. Rig-a-jig-jig and away we go, hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Did you hear the story of the 3 blind mice? 3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a sight in your life as 3 blind mice? 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice went to check their eyes. Went to check their eyes. The doctor gave them spectacles. The mice could suddenly see very well. They thanked the doctor and said a farewell. The 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice went back to their home. Went back to their home. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who screamed and ran for dear life. The mice had already hidden her knife. The 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice. They bought some medicine. They bought some medicine. They put the cream as they sang a song, and back grew their tails so long and strong. They all were happy and lived a life long. The 3 blind mice. That was a curious tale. See you next time. Hey kids, did you hear about the bear who went climbing over the mountain? The bear went over the mountain. The bear went over the mountain. The bear went over the mountain to see what he could see. And all that he could see, and all that he could see, was the other side of the mountain. The other side of the mountain. The other side of the mountain was all that he could see. Was all that he could see. Was all that he could see. The bear went over the mountain. The bear went over the mountain. The bear went over the mountain to see what he could see. And all that he could see, and all that he could see, was the other side of the river. The other side of the river. The other side of the river was all that he could see. Was all that he could see. Was all that he could see. The bear went over the mountain. The bear went over the mountain. The bear went over the mountain to see what he could see. Hey kids, let's meet some transport vehicles today. Ring the bell, somebody's not well. Let's call an ambulance. Ring the bell, somebody's not well. Our friendly ambulance. An ambulance can save a life. An ambulance can help you. An ambulance can take you fast. Wow, wow, wow! What a shame the barn's aflame. Let's call the fire truck. What a shame the barn's aflame. Our brave and bold fire truck. A fire truck can put out flames. A fire truck can rescue. A fire truck comes fast as it can. Wow, wow, wow! Look up high, up in the sky. It's a great big aeroplane. Up high, up in the sky. A great and beautiful aeroplane. An aeroplane can fly so high, carrying all those people. Through the clouds it zooms by. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Up and down and all around goes the passenger train. Crossing fields, crossing towns, the very long passenger train. A train can take you anywhere, from places near to places far. You can even sleep in there. Choo, choo, choo. Through the seas and loving the breeze, the cruise ship does sail on. Across the waves for days and days, the majestic ship sails on. A ship can cross the oceans wide. A ship can take you places. A ship can sail for days and nights. Splish, splash, splash. Look at the street, it's time to meet our favorite school bus. So many seats, it's time to meet our lovely yellow school bus. A school bus takes us to school. A school bus is friendly. A school bus will drop us home. Vroom, vroom, vroom.